Today we learn about the modal verb could used for expressing possibility. Could shows that something might happen or might be true, but we are not completely sure. It expresses possibility, not certainty. Could expresses possibility in the present or future. When we say something could happen, we mean it is possible but not certain. Look at these examples. It could rain later means rain is possible this afternoon. She could be at home now means maybe she is home right now. This plan could work means success is possible if we try. Couldn't is the negative form of could. It expresses impossibility or something very unlikely. When we say something couldn't happen, we mean it is impossible or almost impossible. He couldn't be at work because he is on vacation. That couldn't be true means it is impossible to believe. She couldn't know about it means there is no way she found out. Could expresses possibility while couldn't expresses impossibility. Could mean something might be true or might happen. Couldn't mean something cannot be true or cannot happen. On the left side, could examples show possible situations. On the right side, couldn't examples show impossible situations. Here are everyday examples using could for possibility. Present possibility examples include it could rain this afternoon, the train could be late again, and he could call you later today. General possibility examples are this medicine could help, that restaurant could be closed, and she could win the competition. Could also expresses future possibility. These examples show possible future events. We could travel next summer. The team could win the championship. She could arrive late tonight. Prices could increase next month. It could snow this evening. All these situations are possible in the future. This comparison shows could versus couldn't clearly. Could examples express possibility like I could finish the work tomorrow, she could be at the store now, and the weather could improve later. Couldn't examples express impossibility like he couldn't have done that, they couldn't be at home yet, and that couldn't be true. Here is the key summary for could expressing possibility. Could means possible but not certain, used for present and future. Couldn't means impossible. Quick reference, could equals possible like it could rain later. Couldn't equals impossible like he couldn't be there now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.